Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to eat a seahorse. Now for those of you that are concerned or worried that a seahorse may get harmed or damaged in this video, just don't worry about it. Try not to worry too much. How to eat a seahorse. Of all the worldly things that you could possibly think of to eat, why on earth would you pick a seahorse, you may ask? Well, for several reasons. Well, first of all, there are very few tutorials out there on the internet that actually show you how to eat a seahorse. And I don't know about you, but I personally find that very frustrating. I want to learn how to eat a seahorse. I'm sure you do too. Also, seahorse eating is an extremely important topic, and we want to find out whether the seahorse tastes exactly like its land horse cousins, so that will be very interesting to find out. Another important reason is because of the environment. As we all know, we need to protect and conserve the oceans, which is where the seahorses live, I believe. And as we know, the oceans can get clogged up with creatures. There's loads of whales and dolphins in there. So I thought I would do my part to help remove some of these creatures from the oceans, and then the other creatures will be able to move around more freely in there. And I took the initiative and went straight with seahorses, so hopefully that will help the environment a bit more. So let's begin showing you how to eat seahorses, shall we? So just need to find some seahorses. Just see if there's any lying around here. Oh, found some here. It's quite fortunate. Now, I was led to believe that these seahorses are found in the oceans. It's not true. As we can see, these seahorses were found right here, in a room. So, it's a bit of nature information for you. Now, thankfully, these seahorses came pre-whacked, so I didn't have to murder them myself, which is quite fortunate because I'm a little bit squeamish. So I'll just give you a very quick guided tour of the seahorse box, and then we'll begin opening it. So as we can see, it's by Guy Lyan, so that must be the manufacturer who produced the box in which the seahorse came in, so that's good. We also have a picture. This is what the seahorses look like in real life, which is good. So Seahorse original. And also, I've noticed at the bottom here, it says saving our oceans together for over 20 years. So this is proof that what I said earlier about helping the environment is true, and we can do that by eating the seahorses. If we flip the box around, we can see it's planted with text. There's so much text to read, I can't read it all out now, otherwise the video will be a little bit longer, and I don't have time for that. I'm sure that you don't have time either because you're busy people, so we'll be skipping that for now. So I think we're now ready to open up the seahorse box to see what the seahorses look like and to see how we can go about eating them. So let's begin that now, shall we? Just get the box open. Try and opening it. Too much packaging. There's so much packaging everywhere. Let's get this open. Okay, so let's take them out of the box now, see what they look like. Ooh. So we've got 4 seahorses in this box, and they all smell very nice. Must have had some sort of spice or something in there to enhance the flavour of the seahorse. So once you have your seahorse box open, just take one of them. It doesn't really matter which one. We'll just take this one, like that, and put the rest down for now. And just make sure it's not alive, because if it's alive then that's quite scary. So this one appears to be deceased. I can't be certain, but I trust my instincts. So what you'll need to do now, probably best to eat it head first, just in case you're not 100% sure that it's alive or not, and then you'll know it won't be alive no more once you put the head in your mouth. So once you have selected your seahorse to eat, the next step will be to eat it. So just put it in your mouth, like this. You can take a bite if you want, or put it all in, it's up to you. I'm going to opt for the bite method, because I think that's safer. And we can begin now. Try not to get distracted either, just eat it. Here we go. That is my first experience of eating the seahorse, and I have to say, I'm very impressed. I was not sure what to expect. I thought it would be all slimy, but there's very little slime inside. It's more like a solid taste. And taste, what does it taste like? Tastes very similar to penguin, if I remember correctly. So really, it's not bad at all. I could happily eat this every day, easily. I don't think I could become a vegetarian anytime soon, that's for sure. So once you've taken your first bite, the next step will be to take another bite. And that is done as follows. And that is how you eat a seahorse. I have to say, eating seahorse has far surpassed my expectations of what seahorse eating is all about, and I'm absolutely ecstatic, and I really think that you should try eating seahorse yourself. It's not as bad as you think it is. It's actually quite delicious. And that completes the tutorial on how to eat a seahorse. If there is another tutorial that you need help with, perhaps you need help with eating a giraffe or an elephant or a wildebeest, whatever it may be, just let me know and I will see if I can help you out with that. Until next time, I'll catch you later, and I'm going to continue to eat the seahorse because it's quite nice. So catch you all later. Goodbye. See you. Oh, I've just remembered, another reason to eat a seahorse is because it is important to vary your diet and eat a vast variety of different foods. So that is another good reason to eat one. I thought it was really important just to mention that. Okay, you can head off now if you like. See you.